Hello everyone, welcome back to my another video. So today we'll be talking about how to fix Yahoo Fantasy app not working. So to fix this issue, you can start by updating the app. You can simply check your Apple Play Store and Google Play Store for the latest version to fix bugs and performance issues. Now the next what you can do is first close the app and then restart it again. Just completely shut down the app and restart your device to clear temporary issues and then reopen the app. Now the next what you can do is delete the existing app from your device and then re-download it again to fix corrupt installation. Now the next what you can do is check for the internet connection. Just toggle your Wi-Fi. So toggle your Wi-Fi or cellular data off and on to ensure a strong connection. Now the next what you can do is check for the operating system. Make sure that your iPhone or Android is updated to the latest OS version. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you like this video. See you in my next one.